What it do, crew? All right, so today, as you guys know, EG hatch, we are gonna be swapping out the turbo on it. Got a GT3582 on this one. It's cool, you know, but sadly, we blew the turbo seal, so it's smoking quite a bit. So gave us a chance to upgrade to a GT3576 to give it better spools. A T51 mod. It's gonna sound pretty cool. Dual ball bearing. Yeah, I'm excited to see how we get this done today, and at the end of the day, just how it performs. It should perform a lot better, spool a lot faster, still have that top end. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we got the turbo off. Transferred over the fittings already onto this one. As you can see, this one should spool up a lot better. Yeah, let's see how this gets. Should be pretty good. All right, let's move on to installing it. All right, so we got the new turbo installed. Just finishing up some little touches, but she is on. Just got to reroute the boost controller. It's going to be a little different. As you see, we're running the line to the intake manifold before I had it to the turbo housing. But yeah, after we're all done with this, I should be able to start her up and see how she sounds. All right, so we got the turbo all installed now. As you can see, got the coupler and the piping I needed. Everything's hooked up right. Had to rewire the boost controller to the intake manifold, so the turbo system didn't have the nipple on the housing. Yeah, so let's start it up for the first time and see. Well, I already started it up, but I had to prime the turbo first, which I held the propeller, started it up for about 20 seconds, just so the oil could pump through the turbo. But let's see how she sounds. Let's get it. All right, as you guys can tell, my starter is going out, so that's what that clicking was. But spinning pretty nice. Next clip's gonna be us taking a test drive in it. Just gonna make sure everything's good to go, and then take it for a test drive. Let's get it for next video.